Hey up guys, me and 18 here. I'm with the Accelerator title. I got a very big package, not big but very important package coming in today from a friend of mine. But first from a package from yesterday, I'm doing the 2013 Bowman Platinum Prospect Autograph set. So I picked this up. It came in yesterday. I got it for like $2.25 shipped. It's the Matt McGill autograph. So that's really nice. If you guys have any other ones, I'm looking for them. Now to the package here from my friend K-Torres818. She's really nice. She has an amazing collection of soccer, baseball, everything. So yeah, let's get into it. Wow, this is sick. It's just amazing. It is a man. That's nice. It is a Philadelphia Union jersey, authentic, being worn of no other than Sebastian Toux. It's just amazing. I can't thank you enough, Kristen. It's just really sick, man. See you guys. That's basically got the MLS patch there, USA flag patch right there, and on the back that with two. Number 9. This is their 2011 kit, if I'm correct. This is We Are One in there, and then I believe this is Latin. Joinete or Parente means join or die. So yeah, can't thank you enough, Kristen, for this. I'm definitely gonna be getting you back for this. I have more stuff to send to you. So you guys, that is basically it. I'm going to try and get this signed Saturday, not Saturday, Saturday, March 9th. I'm trying to do Toronto for that game because there's some players there I need to get for me and for Kristen. So yeah guys, that is basically it. So later.